Hi, this is Amanda Ross. Let me tell you a startling secret. The car accident caused by a fight with my husband was the greatest blessing of my life. Now, why would I say such a thing? You see, I'm about to share a mind-blowing story with you of how this tragedy was really the unexpected key to manifesting unbelievable, jaw-dropping miracles on command, making you one with the divine essence. An astonishing discovery that will help you dwell in the realm of the wondrous. Imagine swimming in an ocean of abundance, joy, and love, washing away the stench of guilt, shame, and all that other yucky stuff. Because the supernatural secret that was uncovered in ancient Babylonian tombs simply mesmerized me. An unveiling of angelic delights that has allowed people to find their celestial twin flames. Yes, I now have the fairy tale marriage of my dreams. While I magnetically attract and manifest my deepest desires, even the closely held ones I had forgotten as a child. All just by uttering 4 simple sentences. Before that, let me flat out ask you, do you want to manifest the most glorious life, attracting a giddying downpour of heavenly gifts? Enjoy freedom from all these pressing problems? The empty wallet issues as bills mount up, the relationship strain with no solution in sight, the relentless assault of anxiety and depression. And yet, for some reason, you can't shake these troubles off. Like an annoying snapping turtle that slammed its jaws on your palm. Even as you frantically wave, you can't get the whippersnapper off. Let me assure you, it's not your fault. And here's why. That's because of the key tenets for the law of attraction that you may know. What you focus on expands. Simply put, if you focus on positive things will come your way. You vibrate at a higher frequency, and thus you receive higher vibration blessings. Easy, right? However, here's a massive problem. Your brain is wired for negativity. It's simply the natural state. This means you can't help but attract low vibration things. Horrors like always falling sick, getting into yet another relationship drama, suffocated by a blanket of loneliness, never-ending phone calls from creditors, a perpetual attack of anxiety, fear, and depression. No matter how hard you try, your brain is wired to be like quicksand, pulling you down in the abyss the more you struggle. In a bit, I'll show you the science behind it. In the meantime, does that sound hopeless? What can you do? Should you just give up on an exhilarating existence? The answer is a resounding no, because here's the good news. There's a startling principle called vibrational wings contained in the dusty annals of ancient sacred scriptures. It's a hidden mythical mantra that acts like a magic jetpack. You simply need to strap it on, and then you will be nearly immediately launched into a permanent high vibration state and stay there without ever coming down again. You're like an angel flying in the air. Those low vibration troubles and worries, gone, left in the pit where they belong. With just a few spoken words, you nearly automatically become a high vibration person who effortlessly attracts all the good things in life. The easy finances, the perfect health, the slim body, the sizzling relationships, the angelic wisdom. I know that probably sounds audacious, but bear with me. However, with the vibrational wings secret I'm about to show you, you have the astounding capacity to change your DNA. Yes, no kidding. Transform your mind, instantly make you a better person. It's almost like a brain transplant, albeit taking a few seconds without the mess of surgery. Best of all, it's backed by both science and the supernatural. Are you starting to get inspired yet? So let me tell you what happened after the terrible accident and the unbelievable miracles that transpired. The crash was bad, real bad. Oddly enough, all I had was a few bruises on my body. I felt guilt. After all, did me saying hurtful things help cause this tragedy? Yet my poor husband got the brunt of it, and he was lying bruised and broken on a hospital bed with a beeping machine. Every time I looked at his purple, beaten face, I was instantly filled with a searing sense of shame. Was it true I didn't love him? Was I careless in my words? Did I cause all this? Upon deep reflection, I realized that wasn't the case. While he had a few bad habits, he was a kind man at the very core. After all, I did marry him. I vowed if he ever recovers, I'll make sure things will be different this time round. A fresh start. Then, something happened that brought my good intentions crashing back to earth. I received a phone call from a number that instantly caused me to have chills shooting down my spine. It was my landlord, and we had avoided his calls for weeks. I realized it wasn't good